Welcome to the Pine Poems tutorial. This is the perfect way to get up to speed with PineGrow quickly and effectively. To get started, click on the Interactive Tutorials section in the left sidebar. Here you will find all the available tutorial lessons. We recommend going through them one by one to build a solid foundation. Let's begin by selecting the Introduction lesson. Now that the project has loaded, you'll see the instructions panel on the right. Each lesson includes a video guide to help you along. Below the video, simply follow the list of steps to complete the lesson. You can click on a step to highlight it, which helps you keep track of your progress as you work. You will notice that some items in the text are underlined. These are interactive links, and if you click one, PineGrow will reveal the corresponding element in the user interface. If you need more screen real estate, you can toggle the info panel visibility. Click the icon at the top to hide the panel and click it again to bring it back. By default, the info panel is docked on the right side of the screen. However, you can customize this arrangement to suit your workflow. Use the position icon to move the panel to a different side or even detach it into a floating window. Now let's look over to the left side of the screen. Here we have the project panel, which displays the file structure of your current project. For this Pine Poems tutorial, we are using a simple Bootstrap 5 project template. However, it is important to note that this tutorial is framework agnostic. Even if you don't use Bootstrap, the core concepts and features we explore here apply universally to any project you create in PineGrow. Once you have worked through the instructions and completed all the steps in the lesson, you are ready to wrap up. Click the Complete button at the top of the panel to finish. From here, you can choose to proceed immediately to the next tutorial lesson. Or if you need a break, you can leave the tutorial and return to the main selection screen. Let's keep the momentum going and move on to the next lesson.